We got this much that just fell out of the hose. Now our washer and dryer combo is behind this wall. The hose comes out and it does do a 90 and then go outside. You can see there, that's a lot of lint there. Now we've been doing the maintenance cycle on it, and I can reach my hand back here and I can feel that boot, you know, that infamous boot that clogs up with lint and then you have dryer problems. And I can feel it back there. Now we haven't had any dryer problems, right, Lauren?
It's gotten a little bit longer on the dry time recently, but no problems.
But we have noticed it take longer to dry, is what you're saying.
Yes.
I think this is the problem. Because I was shocked the other day when it took an hour for something that normally takes 45 minutes. And last week, ironically, you ran the maintenance load twice. So I don't know if we just knocked something loose or if this has been a slow buildup. How long has this unit been in here? We put this new one in California a year ago?
Yes.
No, because we took it to Arizona, so a year and a half ago. Because this was in here in Arizona. Yeah, so a year and a half. I haven't opened this tube up in a year and a half. Now with the old machine, I would open up and clean it out every once in a while. Maybe I have. I did. When we were in Medora, North Dakota, I did take this off and I cleaned it one time. So this has been since last summer. I've never seen this much come out of that machine. And that's not all of it. I already threw some in this bag here. There's more up here. That's a lot of lint. I think I gotta get this on a maintenance routine maybe every few months to just get in here and check it instead of waiting for it to be blocked. What I'm worried about is this boot, and I got my hand in it right now. An infamous boot. That's why you have to do the maintenance cycle on this model and the older model, the 2100, is so the lint doesn't get caught up in that boot. Now, what prompted me to do this was the washing machine was making a gurgling sound. It was just gurgling. You could hear it. It was in dryer mode, and it was gurgling through where you put the soap and fabric softener in. And it was just gurgling, gurgling, gurgling. And I thought, well, what would make the air go that way? You know, the air from the dryer. And I thought, well, the exhaust might be clogged and it's pushing the air back. And sure enough, here we are. We got our inspection camera with not a lot of battery here. We're gonna see if we can see down that boot. Ooh. A lot of lint. It's all lint. Not as bad as the old one, but there's definitely a lot of lint. See if we can get down. And it kind of clears up right there, which is a good thing. That's the part I think the maintenance load cleans out. Yep, because I can get the camera to go around the corner there. You can see that lighter part that's going into the drum. So I'm glad to see the lint's not built up way down there like on our 2100. But It's fluffy still, so it's not packed in there and all dense like when it killed our last washer dryer. Get it cleaned up. So I don't know if this is in the manual or not, but make sure that your combo washer dryer that's supposed to put the lint down the drain, that the vent pipe is clear too.